Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you got diazomethane, which is double bond nitrogen, and you are reacting with light and benzophenone. You are reacting with alkene. You have to find what will be the final product. Here you have carbene precursor and shining the light. You have carbene formation. Here the benzophenone is the sensitizer. Carbene forms. You have triplet carbene. Here triplet carbene is more stable. Singlet carbene is less stable because of holding the electrons in the same orbital. Repulsion is more. Then the carbene reacts with alkene. You have cis and trans product. You will observe mixture of both. The concept you have to learn here is when shining the light on diazomethane, you have triplet carbene. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.